now we're going to do the cuffs. We just need to place the ends on top of each other so that we have our cuff, and then give it a quick press across the fold. And now we're going to put them in. And the trick to putting them in is to first of all turn your top inside out and then have the cuff on the inside. Never have it on the outside. It's actually way easier to stretch it to if the cuff sits on the inside. It's a habit to get into, really. Now I can see here that my seam allowances are really thick again. I forgot to cut them back, so I'm taking my embroidery scissors real quick here and I'm cutting this down. Now it's a little bit flatter. Make sure nothing folded over, and now I'm putting the seam onto the underarm seam, again one of them vertical pins again, and I just stretch it to the other side. So I've pinned this, and now I can go over to my sewing machine and I stitch it in. The key to stitching it in well is to always work from what is like the inside, as you can see me do here. You secure your stitches and then you can literally move the sleeve around and around and around. And of course that's way easier than the other way around. That is so hard. I have seen people do this when I was teaching sewing courses for the Worcestershire County Council in England a long time ago, it feels now, but super time I've had that. That was so much fun. Anyway, people would try it the other way and I'm going, oh no, do it like this, and they'd be going, oh, this is so much simpler. You know, just knowing how very often is the key. Now that's sewn in, I'm back off to my overlocker and I'm going to serge it, overlock it all the way around, squeeze it. Please get into the habit of that, because it's so easy to have one of them vertical pins still in there and then you ruin your knife. I rather prick myself real quick and you know, go ow, than to ruin one of my knives. And that is it. We have finished our sweatshirt. The cuffs are on. All we need to do is give them a gentle press and we are done. I hope you really enjoyed this. This is one of my favorite things that I've made because it wasn't difficult and it looks really, really cool.